This is the MountUP single monitor arm. In this video we will unbox it, install it and see its benefits. Let's start with the unboxing. Since I don't have one of those fancy YouTuber unboxing knives yet, so I'll be using this cleaver instead. It may not be glamorous but it gets the job done. Let's open up the monitor arm and see what we get inside. Right out of the box, everything is neatly packed and protected with foam so the components stay secure during shipping. At the first glance, the packaging looks clean and well organized, with each part wrapped in its own plastic cover, which helps prevent scratches during transition. First of all, we have the screws, spacers and washers neatly separated into labeled bags. Then we have a bag containing the Allen keys, a protective pad and a through desk mounting bolt. Next is the C-clamp, which is the standard mounting option for this monitor arm. It securely attaches the arm to the edge of your desk without needing to drill any holes, making the installation quick and straightforward. After that, we have a desk clamp base which is made of solid metal and provides a strong stable foundation for the entire monitor arm. Up next is a clamp connector bracket, also known as the mounting bracket or a connector plate. It connects the desk clamp base to the C-clamp using two screws, ensuring the entire mounting assembly stays rigid and secure. Here comes the main gas spring arm. While the core structure is made of metal and feels sturdy, the top housing is finished with plastic. It doesn't feel cheap, but it's something worth knowing before you buy it. Next is the vertical support column, also called the mounting pole or the support pole. It connects the clamp to the main gas spring arm, acting as the backbone of the entire setup. The arm mounts onto this column and can rotate smoothly, giving you greater flexibility to position your monitor. This is the upper arm cover. It snaps onto the top of the gas spring, concealing the cables and internal mechanism while giving the monitor arm a much cleaner and more premium finish. And finally, the box includes a detailed user manual to guide you through the installation process. And that is everything you will find inside the box. It's time to move on to the installation process. Though the installation is fairly simple, there is one step in the manual that can be a little misleading. I'll tell you the correct way to do it later in the video, which could save you some time and frustration. The first step is to attach the protective pad to the underside of the desk clamp. This pad acts as a cushion between the clamp and your desk, helping to prevent scratches and reducing the pressure applied to the desktop. It also improves the grip of the clamp, making the installation more secure. It's a small component, but it's definitely worth installing instead of skipping it. Next, attach the clamp connector bracket to the desk clamp base using the two included screws. Make sure the bracket is aligned properly before tightening the screws evenly. This creates the main desk clamp assembly, which will securely hold the monitor arm in a place once it is mounted to your desk. Now attach the base to the clamp assembly using two included screws and secure the entire assembly to the edge of your desk by tightening the clamp. As for the next step, we have to place the plastic sleeve over the clamp, and then we have to slide the vertical support column over it. But before all of this, we have to make sure that the side marked with the base sticker is facing downwards. Once everything is properly aligned, use the included Allen key to tighten the support column securely. This locks the column firmly in place, providing a stable foundation for the monitor arm. Now, before you follow the next step in the manual, let me save you a lot of time and frustration. According to the manual, we have to install the main gas spring arm onto the support column first and then attach our monitor. Instead, I recommend attaching the monitor to the gas spring arm first and then place the entire assembly onto the support column and tighten it using the included Allen key. For my monitor, I had to use these VESA screws and spacers. However, the hardware you will need might be different depending on your monitor. Finally, adjust the arm's tension with the provided Allen key. If the monitor rises on its own, reduce the tension. And if it drops slowly, increase the tension until it stays balanced and moves smoothly. That's it guys, the arms feel sturdy, the movement is smooth, and it's been really a practical upgrade for my desk. One thing I didn't expect to enjoy this much is the extra flexibility. Since my desk is in the corner of my room, I can now swing the monitor towards my bed and watch Netflix comfortably without moving my entire setup. Earlier, I had to clean up my desk and shift the monitor manually, but now it's just a matter of pulling the arm into position. It's one of those small quality of life improvements that you really start appreciating after using it for a few days. If you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.